Hi, welcome to the Coupon Creator walkthrough tutorial. In this video, you're going to learn how to use the features of Coupon Creator to create your own custom coupons. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you have installed and activated the software is go to the Settings tab and add your Pinterest username, email, and password. And also you're going to want to add the URL of a WordPress blog where the images will be stored before they are pinned to Pinterest if you want to use that feature. Now also you can post the coupons as regular posts to a WordPress blog, and so if you have blogs that you actually want the coupons to appear on the site rather than just being stored, you also can add new WordPress blogs here just by adding the URL of the blog, the username, and the password. So let's get started creating a coupon. Now over here you can see that we've got a bunch of different styles. These are all the square styles. And you can see that there's many different color combinations. Some are designed for QR codes, and some have images on them. Some are just text. And also there are vertical layouts if you want one that's formatted in a more vertical rectangle. So for this coupon, I'm just going to click this one, and I'm going to make a nice little coupon for $5 off of a pizza. Now, the Coupon Creator allows you to insert a QR code into any of the designs that you are creating, and also images. And so on this screen, you get to choose whether you want a QR code and insert an image if you want. Now, you don't have to, but you can. So for the QR code, what you're going to want to do is just enter the URL that the user should end up at after they've scanned the QR code on the coupon. So for this coupon, I'm just going to put in a fake URL to an imaginary pizza place called Rosie's Pizza, and they will end up at the page called Deal. Now I'm just going to click on Generate QR Code. You can see that it generates a QR code that will send the user to this URL. Now I can do a variety of things with the QR code and with the images and also the text boxes. So all of these elements here you can use on most of the elements of the coupon. So if I wanted to crop this, I could click on crop and then it would give me cropping handles. Now if I want to move this around or resize it, just click on this box here. And I think this is a bit big for the coupon, so we're just going to make it a little bit smaller and move it down into the corner. See how easy that is. Now you also can align it vertically in the layout or horizontally. So if I wanted it to be right here in the middle, then I would click the vertical align and horizontal align and it would stick it there. Now if I want to remove this, I decide I don't want a QR code there after all, I can also click on cut to get rid of it. So I would like to put an image of picture of pizza on here just to remind people what the offer is about. So I'm just going to select an image, and I have a nice pizza image that I have here, and I want to move this around a little bit. And actually I don't really like the gray part of this because it's kind of a little bit too much and I would like to focus more on the pizza. So I'm just going to click on crop, and then I'm going to resize how much of the image that I want to see. So I'm going to do that, move it down a little bit. And so it's mostly pizza and a lot less gray. And then I just click the crop button again. And you can see that now my picture is just pizza. So if I wanted to move this around a little bit, I think it looks best right here. So we're just going to leave it right there. And I'm going to go on to the next page and I'm going to add some text. Okay, so on the tab 3, Create Coupon, you can see I've got title, description, and footer that I can fill in. I can change the fonts to be bold, italic, underlined. I can also change how they're aligned. Right now they're centered within their box. I could also make them so that they were right aligned or left aligned. And I can change the font colors and the font styles. Now these font styles are actually drawn from your computer, so if you have a font installed on your computer, you will be able to use it with the app. You can also change the color of any of the text, and if you want to add a glow that sort of adds like an outline depending on how strong you make it. And of course, any of the text, if you want it to be in a different position, you can move it around the same way you move the image and the QR code around. Just click on the resize and move. So I'm going to put that here, and actually I think I would like to horizontally align it to the middle. So now it's aligned horizontally. And then my other little text here, I've got the offer, so I'm going to move the offer up here, and I'm going to align that one horizontally as well. And then my footer text, where I put the expiration date, I'm going to move that around a little bit too. And of course, if you want to resize these, you can also just drag to make them larger or smaller. And also, you notice that there is some little directional arrows. You can also skew this if you want to change the way it's laid out. So once you have your coupon layout the way you want it, you can just click on Save Coupon, and it will save it to your computer, and it saves it in a location in your documents. It will give you the location of the file here. Or you can print it, and it will also do multiple layouts, so you can do 2 up or 4 up, and click on Print. Now, also, there is one other little feature, and that is that you can scale the entire layout at once, down or up. And if I decide I wanted to print it or save it at this size, then I just have to click this little button here, and then when I save the coupon, it will save it this way instead of at the larger size. Now also, I can post my coupon to Facebook, WordPress, or Pinterest. If I want to post it to Facebook, I would just click here and then log into my Facebook account, then fill in the caption that I want to be on the post, select which of my pages I want the coupon to be posted to, and choose whether I want to include the blog URL back to the coupon, and then I would just click on Upload Image. For posting it to your WordPress blog as a post, you would select the blog, give it a title for the blog post, choose the category from that blog, and whatever message you want to appear with that image. Now you can also post it as a draft. If you uncheck this, it will post it right away as a published post. And then you just click on Post. And lastly, you can post the image to Pinterest. And so when posting to Pinterest, you would just fill in the description of the pin. The image URL will be filled in after you've uploaded the image to the WordPress blog that you configured in the first step. If you want it to link out to an offer or another page, then you can fill in the link here that you want and choose the board that you want it to post to. And after you've filled in all those details, then just click on Share on Pinterest, and it will be posted to your Pinterest board. So that's it for this walkthrough on how to use Coupon Creator to create your own custom coupons.